Alright guys, so the next one we're gonna review is this one right here, the Andura wide platform pistol grip handle. I got it for $10 right there. Alright, so this is what the plastic look like. Yui is gonna open up for me and I'll be filming. Okay guys, it comes in that box. Alright guys, that's it. That's all you get. Nothing else. You get a produce bag. Okay. Okay, get off for it. I got this. Yeah. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Pistol grip. Just like that. So I'm gonna try to put my DSL camera first. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Easy grip, so you can just film. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on my regular point and shoot camera, which is my vlogging camera. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like on a point and shoot camera. That is awesome. I always wanted one of this because you know when you're vlogging in, like, hey, how's it everybody, what you guys doing, you know, instead of just putting your hands on this side, like holding it like this, such a hassle because you can drop it. Like I don't want to wrap that all the time, but if you can just hold it like this, like it's nice and sturdy, so you can be like, hey everybody, how you guys doing, and you also can just point and shoot and talk to people just like that. Alright guys, so this is what it would look like when you have your iPhone on the pistol grip. You see, just like that, and it's nice. You can hold it really high just like that. So that's what it looks like. Alright guys, so that's my review for this pistol grip right here. Check that out, and I totally recommend it because I'm going to be using it for more vlogs and whatever I'm going to film. Thank you guys, and thank you for watching this review. I'm going to be doing more.